Hello. I'm hoping this works and everything gets shown off well, because I've been working on this a lot this week, so it's in a state of flux. What's up, Rich? Ricky, Clever, ASP, San Andreas 5 PD, good to see you again. Mr. Reaper, what's up? Thank you. We're still celebrating here at the house. Actually, we sort of, did minor stuff on the actual day of my birthday, and then Sunday, when we can all actually get together, is when we're kind of doing more. I'll actually get a cake on that day. All right. I have been working on county services, and I made major breakthroughs this week. Some of the things that I couldn't get working, or that were really strange behaviors, I have, I figured things out. So, what is this? Fake boat boy? All right, so we're gonna take the imposter boat boy and we're gonna arrest him. But basically, what county services is police transport, ambulance, coroner, and animal control. And it's all AI. So if you don't have a coroner on the server and you've got a dead AI laying there or a dead player, you can call the county transport. If you ever watch OCRP, they'll say, hey, the county's going to pick you up. That just means that nobody's actually picking you up. You're going to no clip and fly away somewhere. Now you're actually going to get taken to the hospital or some semblance thereof. But anyway, so we're going to start by firing off the transport command, and it's going to go into select mode. And so I'm looking at this guy, so I press X, adds him to the list, and then E up there in the left corner stops selecting. So now it's going to spawn somewhere a transport vehicle, if it works. Sometimes it doesn't. Yep. So usually that happens when, and I've got all this debug stuff, it's trying to create the PED, and sometimes it doesn't for some reason. I don't understand why, but sometimes you have to do it more than once. And hopefully this will work here. I may have to restart it if not. Yeah, I don't know why it does that. I cannot figure it out. Why sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. I'm going to restart the script. This is why it's not released, because I'm still digging through the bugs. And this is one that drives me crazy because it doesn't make any sense. There's no reason for it to not spawn the PED. Because what it's doing, it's spawning for transport. It spawns a custom vehicle that's in there. And then it spawns 2 police officers inside the vehicle, and then it drives here. And it's dying on spawning the vehicle. See, it's still. Why can it not create the PED? Right, I'm going to relog, which sometimes fix it. These kinds of things drive me crazy. Thanks, Tornado. I appreciate that. Oh, there goes Henry in the background again. Every Friday. I'm on the wrong side of the world here. Go back. Oh, Boat Boy's not going to be there anymore. Yep, he's gone. Dang it. Well, we can get these people. And this works on AI and players when it works. Come on, work for me. Dang it. What is going on? I have been using this all day. And of course now it's going to be all wonky on me. Alright, let me restart the whole server. I knew this would happen. I will say that we were testing earlier, and I don't know if Ken is on here listening, but he's one of my QA guys from OCRP, and he likes to blow stuff up. And so while we're testing, he's constantly shooting people and blowing things up, and he was blowing up the ambulances while they were trying to do their thing, and I may not have found all the edge cases to make that not be a problem. So we'll just restart the whole thing. At least FiveM is up. All right. Mr. Reaper, you don't know my story, do you? Yeah, I just want it known that, again, it was my character first. It wasn't Boat Boy. It was Jack Jackson, but just Bugs has, you know, like 100,000 times the subscribers I do. Or I guess it's 1,000 times, something like that. I don't know. I don't feel like doing the math. We got lucky. Maybe we'll get lucky with this. Oops. Please just work. I don't know what's going on, but it's not going to work. I don't know why. This was working all day. Go back up to the spawn. I'm looking at the code here. So I don't understand it. So it clears them out, grabs the models, calls the spawn. It's spawning the vehicle fine, but it's the first ped. I don't know why. It's just a spawn command. I don't know. I'm going to try it again. It's a bummer because I really wanted to show this because it's been working so great. Sorry again for the background. He does this every time I stream. And he talks so stinking loud.
I think I was just tired at that point. Last I played it, so it was...
Alright, I'm baffled. Oh, it's making me look bad, is it? Well, I mean, you can go buy Red Rum scripts. Let's see if I can get one of the other ones to come. Oops. Oh, now see, these work. Why did this one work? You can see the red dot on the map down there. That's the ambulance coming. There it is. I probably should have shot Boat Boy or something first. It does a couple things. It stops here. It sets a speed zone so the traffic will slow down and won't be running over them and stuff. Yeah, he's not supposed to be upright. That's funny. And so he's gone now. Here, let me get... sure somebody's not going to sneak up and shoot me. Alright, so see if I can get the county coroner to show up. And we'll transport that guy right there. You can do more than one at a time, but I'm not going to right now. It's the custom vehicles for some reason. It's not liking the custom vehicles. I'll just call the ambulance again. Yeah, it's not... There's something wrong with the custom vehicles. That's what it is. Get out of their way because they get unhappy when you get in their way. He's going to load him in from the inside. And that's basically what this script does. There's also animal control. So if you have a dead dog or a dead deer or something, they'll come get it. I don't know why the custom vehicles. It's like it's spawning them, but it can't spawn people into them. Maybe the seats are wrong, but it was working earlier. That's what I don't understand. Like, I want you to see transport because it's the coolest. But it is just not working. I don't know. Something wrong with the vehicle. Because it is a custom vehicle. And usually when the ped can't spawn, it's because there's the seat that I'm trying to spawn it into isn't working right. So I guess that's something I'm going to have to look at, although I just rebooted and the thing worked earlier. I've been using it all day. I've been getting the police thing set all day. So it sucks that it doesn't work because it's one of the coolest. I don't even know what to do. What is the name of that vehicle? See if I can just spawn it in. Hang on just a sec. So like the police transport. Oh, okay.
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah, I mean there it is. So let's see. I know I can switch seats, right? Oh, there's something something going on weird with the seats. What is going on? See, now it's not doing it anymore. Okay. I gotta get in the driver's seat. Alright, let's try it now that we've spawned one in and messed with it. Nope. Doesn't like the seat. I don't know, man. That's really strange that it worked all day and now all of a sudden doesn't. I'm a big jazz fan, so I like to put jazz in the background of these things. Yeah, I mean, I can't show you any of the other vehicles because none of them will work. Anybody coming? You know how people in Sandy like to come shoot you. Uh-oh. Gotta watch out for those dogs. See if I can get animal control to come. It knows the difference between animals and people. You can't call people with animal control, and you can't call animals with people stuff. Yep, it's not going to work because of the stupid custom vehicle. I don't know why that's doing that, man. Different area, okay. I'll try, but it's I think it's the seats. I don't want to shoot any of these ladies. It's all girls.
Don't worry, it's no big.
She says don't worry.
I just be acting.
She said don't worry about it. Okay. Nope, it's just not liking the vehicle. And I don't understand it. I haven't changed it. It's been this way all day. It's trying to put it in seat -1, which should be driver's seat. How do I put it in any seat? Let me look that up. And I change code. So this isn't working out like I wanted it to. If I just, let's see, it's an integer, so I don't think I can leave it blank. So any seat is -2. Okay, try that. If I put them both to -2, we'll just see where they end up. So you can watch me test code as I write it. Hopefully we don't crash here. Because of the custom vehicles, if there are any in the world, it'll crash whenever you restart it. He doesn't like that either. I don't know why it's not spawning peds into the vehicle. It was. I've broken it somewhere.
Give me Mari.
Big fat bummer. Because it does say vehicle created, right? Alright, so it did creates a vehicle, and then it tries 4 times to create the ped, and it fails. But only in the custom vehicles. If I did that on the ambulance, boom, there it is. Doggone it. FiveM, I appreciate the $3. Super nice of you. As I'm sitting here struggling. Oh, the ambulance drivers. They're AI. Is there only one in there? Was there only one guy? Oh, there he is. He did what he do, fall out of the truck. Oh, that's funny.
Damn, dude.
Take her away. Rich, what are you doing, man? Thank you. I appreciate the $10 very much. Anyway, they all work this way when they work. Except the police, you're not laying dead on the ground. They come get you and lead you to the car and put you in the back of it and take you to the police station. Oh, if you're a player and they take you, which I don't have any in here with me right now, but I don't think. I do not. I could bring one. Hang on. All right. I usually do network testing when I'm alone, where I'll fire up the laptop and load in the game, and I'll just be running on 2 machines at the same time. Joseph actually showed me once where you could run 2 windows on the same machine. I have a feeling that would be clunky as all get out, but I tell you that controlling the AI, whether they're driving or whatever, super difficult to do. They're very unpredictable. The road nodes are wonky at best. I mean, you've seen the nodes, right? If I turn them on, you can see that they're they're in the middle of the road, and like a 2-lane road, they're right down the middle for both directions. So they're all over the place. It's if you spawn onto a node, then it's right in the middle of the road. So I had to write special code just to move the car to the side so it's not sitting in the middle of the road when it spawns in. Anyway, I doubt this is going to make a difference, but I'm going to try to call transport again on this guy. I do not know why it's not working. restart the script. I'm really bummed because I was excited about the progress, even though I knew that it wasn't done and wasn't quite there yet. I didn't expect it to poop its pants right here. Okay. Oh, come on, just spawn. It's not going to. Sorry. I do not know why. I didn't change any of that. And you don't want to sit here and watch me bang on it and be frustrated. Yeah, I don't know. Alright, well. This is what I was going to show tonight. Anybody got anything they're dying to see? Claymundo, I'll tell you what. Behind the scenes, a lot of teeth gnashing and hair pulling and occasional profanity. Lots of frustration, especially working with this game. The documentation's weak at best, and a lot of it is guesswork and trial and error. So you spend a lot of time just trying things. One of the issues here is it was working, an hour ago. And Claymundo, thank you so much. I appreciate that. Yeah, it was working an hour ago, and I didn't make any changes since then. Well, that's not true. I did make some changes, but it has nothing to do with that. What changes did I make? Let me take them out and see if that... This will be the last thing I try, so you're not bored out of your minds watching me tinker. Yeah, let me turn this off. I doubt this is going to be it because it really doesn't have anything to do with anything else. I'm going to do a safe restart. This is something that my guy Joseph built. Basically what it does is it goes through and makes sure that anything spawned in by the script is removed before it tries to restart it so you don't crash yourself. Bus services works, and it works pretty well for AI drivers. They occasionally, especially out near sandy shores in the desert where all the AI freak out, they freak out there some, but for the most part they do pretty well. They're driving giant buses, and sometimes that doesn't go so well. But it works really well. The only problem is making it networkable, and because one person owns all the buses, and sometimes they don't start driving if you're not close to them. So I have to work out some network issues. Shopping carts, they're coming along. I have to do some work and some testing with other people. But all right, we're going to try this again. Yeah, I didn't think that was going to change anything. It's still freaking out. I didn't change the vehicles. They're the same vehicles I've been using all along. I don't know why it's freaking out right now, but it is. So that sucks. Let's see. I'll start the buses up if you guys want to see that. Quick poll. Anybody interested in the buses? Oh my gosh. Are you seriously asking me that question, Production Kings? Oh my gosh. I mean, is that a joke or are you really asking? Oh my gosh. Yeah, there's a huge debate. I mean, I've had people absolutely argue with me over what the script is doing, and I will tell you 100% certainty it's because you have no traction and the wheels are spinning faster. You're not actually going faster. There is a weird, sometimes visual if you're in the car where it makes you look like you're going faster, but you're not. We put radar on it. We timed it. We checked it out. You're not going 170 miles an hour in a car that usually only goes 100. Sometimes it seems like it, but it's not. And not only that, the traction thing is a GTA hook. It's a native built into the game. And it's a single native that I call if certain circumstances happen. And all it does is reduce the traction. It's like you're driving on ice, and it takes away your traction. So yes, your speedometer looks like it goes through the roof. I get it. Mine does too. It's just, but you're not actually going 170 miles an hour. Your wheels are spinning because you have zero friction on them at all. Now, people have argued with me over that and tried to prove me wrong, and I have said, okay, even if you were going faster, who cares? Why are we having a discussion about it? Why are we arguing over whether you're going faster or not? It doesn't matter. If you don't want the hydroplaning, turn it off. So there you go. And that's in a new update coming out for the vehicle control where you can turn down the hydroplaning because of all the wimpy, griping, complaining people about it. Don't even get me started. All right, what was I trying to do? It's not going to come, is it? Oh, I was going to show buses. Okay, I don't think the script is running, but let me fire it up. No, it's a common thing, but people freak out. Let's see, bus service. It is not started. I don't know if I'm going to be the owner of the buses or not. Yeah, maybe. Or it may be the laptop dude. Yeah, see, these are the buses. Here's the blue route. Those are bus stops. And here's the bus, the dot. There's also a white route here. But you can see they're sitting still. It's because I'm not close enough to it to start it off. There's also a yellow route over here. He's also sitting still. And there's a green route. So I have 4 routes going in here. The white one actually goes all the way out around Sandy Shores, up Great Ocean Highway, all the way around, and comes back in down here. And then this yellow route goes across the city, across Hawick and Del Perro, and then up through Poplar Street, down all the way down into the industrial area. The blue route goes through the heart of the city here. It actually starts in Mirror Park and swings up and back down to the airport, and then back again. Goes back the same route and ends up back at the same place. So it's pretty cool what all it does. Lost track of my chat. I need another monitor. Yeah, I'll show you. Well, I don't know who owns the buses. Let me see. Hang on, let me look at his. I think I own the buses. They have to be owned on a client. That's the problem. So if I leave, it transfers to a different client. But the fact that they're not running because I'm not close enough, this is my issue. So I will come to this bus stop. Oops. And now the bus will start moving. Now that I'm down here. Let me set my cash to 0. And set my bank to 0. So I have no money to ride the bus. I don't know if he's still sitting at the light. Guess we'll wait and see. Yes, they take them to the hospital. It's the nearest hospital. If the medics come, or the coroner comes, or even animal control, they go to the nearest hospital. The police transport takes you to the nearest police station. And it gives you the option, if you are a player, and it puts you in the ambulance or one of the other vans, it gives you the option after it puts you in there to hit a key and respawn. And what it will do is spawn you, or it's not really spawn, it just, you end up at the police station immediately. So you don't have to sit and ride all the way there. You could just spawn into it. Alright, this is killing me. There you go. See, now when I get close, he takes off and he goes. That's my problem.
I found a store that sells fresh breast milk.
Oh, this game.
It's not really a store per se. More like a refrigerator in the back of a medical marijuana clinic. You have to ask for a special pot muffin, and then they take you in the back.
Alright, so if I get on just the normal way by hitting F, I don't have any money, so he's going to kick me off. So if I set my cash to $100, now I can get on. And it charges me $10. No, I only got 90. And AI will get on and off the bus. Sometimes it looks a little wonky because they do weird things. No matter what I tell it, they don't do what I tell them to do all the time. Named after Rich. So you're all set for tonight then, Katie? Yeah, that's a little preview. There may be some homeless RP with some action to it, hopefully. We actually have a plan tonight. I don't know if it'll work, but we have several different scenarios. Probably won't get to all of them, but that's okay. Yes, we do use the camping script for the homeless. In fact, I'm gonna add, and I'm not sure it's to the camping script, maybe to the object spawner, add some, there's some homeless shelters that are props out there. Probably add them to one or the other. Well, we're really at the wrong time of day for running into people, so I'm gonna change the time to mid-morning. Hey, the hazards are actually working. I wonder if I can get this guy. Ouch. See if he can get there. I don't know if he can get there in time. I'm running. I'm coming. So now we're both on. Did anybody else get on? Nope, not yet. That's a long time before the next stop. I love the camping script. It was one of my favorites that I've done along the way. It adds a lot of possibilities. And then the object spawner was just a game changer to me. And then traffic control, the things that it does are pretty amazing. I wish I knew how to stop the AI from doing this nonsense where they try to drive around each other. Do a script like GTA SA where you go to the counter of a food joint, order food, and get a tray prop and sit and eat. I don't know, it sounds like a QB Core script to me. Which we have emote stuff in there where you can spawn in a hamburger and it'll pretend like it's eating it. We do that all the time. I am not a QB Core fan, so if you are, I'm sorry. I probably offend you with all of that. It was very hard to get these buses to stop where I wanted them to stop. And I can only get the stupid hazards to blink sometimes. They're so inconsistent. Same command every time, but it's inconsistent. I don't understand it. GTA, man. GTA. Well then, Jim, you and I are on the same side. Oh! Trade paint. Inventory's not a bad thing if it's not, or it's not a bad thing if it's used correctly, but most of the time it is not. I don't want to have to go hunt down the items I want to use in a scene. I just want to spawn them in and use the scene. Good grief. Anyway, have we seen enough of the buses? This is what it does. And you can get off and on whenever you want. Okay. Yeah, it's a mess now. Oh, the other buses are running now. You see those two there? Those are both from the script. I don't know why they're on top of each other. But I think when they don't move, another one spawns behind it after a while. So there's the hazards. See, there's somebody getting on the bus. Although it's jank as all get out, but there she is. There's somebody else. They're supposed to just get on, but they kind of warp in and they're all freaked out when they do. And then they'll get off somewhere up the road. It's all kind of random algorithm stuff. Those people running up the street, they're chasing the other bus. I don't know why that does that. Sometimes the person will start toward the bus, stop, take out their camera, take a picture of the bus, and then not get on. And when the bus starts driving, they'll start running up the road after it. And the AI are just crazy. But yeah, those two buses on the white line, those are going to swing up to Sandy. And most likely drive into the desert because they're crazy. Is he going to get hit? It's like the zombie apocalypse. They're all just running up the road. That's too funny. That is a script idea somebody gave me, not zombies, but to do a riot where you could sporadically start a riot somewhere with AI. I think that would be fantastic to do. Or you could spawn in a riot right in the middle of a group of people messing with stuff. Let's see if I've got anything else worth showing off. Yeah, nothing I can think of. Oh, have you guys seen the fuel update? Did I show that last week? Jim, I did that early on, where I would spawn in pedestrians to be at the bus stop before the bus got there. It's a little janky because all of a sudden people just show up. And then... the heck? Somebody just got run over. So, you know, it was a little wonky. And even though this is not a bus stop, I can get off. Let's see, I'll get a car. Let's go with electric. No, that's not electric. Is it? Yeah, it is. Okay. And we're going to go to the nearest charging station, which looks like it's here. This is a new one.
Starting your route. Continue straight.
Can't remember if that's... Can't remember if that's one of the new chargers or not. If not, we'll go find another one. Oh, where is this place?
Recalculating.
Oh, no, it's not. It's
When possible, make a legal U-turn.
That's one of the old ones. All right.
You have arrived.
Yeah, thanks. Let's see. I know these are new.
Starting your route. Keep left. Turn left. Keep left. Recalculating. Continue straight.
Turned right in front of me. That's what I'm saying. I'm just driving here.
In 1/10 of a mile, turn left. Turn left. Continue straight. Turn right. Continue straight. Turn left onto Lindsay Circus. Continue straight.
What? I missed everybody. Come on.
In 1/10 of a mile, turn left. Turn left.
I'm surprised I didn't get shot at there. Those guys are mean.
Continue straight. Turn left onto San Andreas Avenue.
This car drives terribly.
Turn right onto Bay City Avenue. Continue straight. Turn left onto... Continue straight.
Oh, this is not where I want to be. They're down below.
Turn left.
How do you get down below?
Recalculating.
Oh, shut up.
When possible, make a legal U-turn. Turn left. Recalculating. When possible, make a legal U-turn.
She thinks I'm going up on the pier.
Continue straight.
Oh, this is not where I want to be either.
In 1/10 of a mile, keep left. Keep left. Recalculating. When possible, make a legal U-turn. Keep right. Continue straight.
You think I know my way around,
Keep right. Continue straight.
but I do not.
In 1/10 of a mile, turn left.
There they are.
Recalculating. You have arrived.
Gee, thanks. Oh, I don't have any money.
You wanted a kid. Yeah, if I had $1 for every rapper in town who wants to get in.
Fast and the environmentally safe. I like that. The one change I want to make to this is make the electricity price configurable. So servers can change it to whatever they want. Thank you, Claymundo. Brand new. And there's, well, I probably should wait. Really confused the thing. Here, well. Yeah, these have no collision, by the way. You can walk right through them. I'm not sure why. Alright, so now we'll spawn in something not quite as fuel efficient. Where's the gas station? Yellow bus is running now that we're over on this side of town. We'll go here.
Starting your route. In 1/10 of a mile, keep right.
This ought to be fun.
In 1/10 of a mile, turn left. Turn left. In 1/10 of a mile, turn left. Turn left. Continue straight.
What are the odds I fly through the windshield
Turn
during
left.
this drive? Oh, I missed my turn.
Continue straight. Take the exit. Keep right.
Oop.
Turn right. Continue straight. You have arrived.
I made it. Yeah. How about that? The complaint I got about this today was they can't see how full their tank is while they're filling it. I said, when you go to the gas station in real life, do you see how full your tank is while you're filling it? I don't. Oh, overflow. Jim says, Big Daddy, what would I change if when I crash hard it barely does any car damage, but if I crash lightly it totals my car? It sounds like you have another script in there that's conflicting, or you have all the settings cranked up too high. That's funny, Clay. She said, I don't see the one you were talking about. Is it under classics? You're talking about this one? Yeah, the settings that it comes with, they're pretty tested. I wouldn't change them. Oh, Clay, you've just like triggered me with that. The ones that they have here say things like place the item in the bagging area. All items must be placed in the bagging area. And it gives you like about a second and a half to put it in there. Oop, I just got a ticket. Ooh, this thing will move. Imagine how fast it would go if it was hydroplaning. Oh, I got another ticket. Oh, that's right. That's right. That's right. I need to show you that. I'll wait till I get a ticket so I know where the camera is. I got new cameras. So where is that? There it is right there. It's my new camera model. So yeah, the speed cams all look legitimate now. Let's see if I can find another one. They're all up and down this highway. They're so short now, they're hard to see. Oh. That was unfortunate. There's one. Yeah, those all of the animations for the radio animation are now custom. They were built just for this script. Hurt my car so it doesn't go as fast now. Here we go. I love that script so much. A good radio? Hey Jim, do you use PMA? I have no doors. Look for RP radio. RP-radio. There's a PMA version that is good. It's excellent. Oh, you use RP radio. Okay, well then you don't like it? Kind of hoping the car will catch on fire. This music. Oh, I'm late for my other stream. All right, I am going to sign off of here and go get set up and jump over to the RP stream. So hang out and click into it and watch us do crazy things. All right? See you in a bit.